Okay, we're back. We're on page 5, and now it says to find all real solutions. So thankfully, I'm not giving you completely new problems. If you look back at what we just did, we have we can use the solutions from what we did on last problem. And I'll just copy that. And now I'm going to paste it over here. Oop. So now when we use this solution, we know that we're going to take the reason why we learned a factor is it's got very limited use, but when you can factor an algebraic equation, you find the linear terms and they're very easy to set to 0. For that one, for this one, and then this one has a quadruple root at x equals 0. So our three real solutions for this one are 0, 4, and -4. This is where this sixth order or sixth degree polynomial would intersect the x-axis. The next one is also one that we used from the last page, and I'm going to just again steal the solutions from that. And that's right here. I just want to make sure I grab the right set, so I'm just going to copy and paste that. Okay, so oops, and we'll just paste them down here so you know where those solutions are coming from. And then remember, when we again have a solution, or when we're trying to find a solution to an equation, when they set equal to 0, we factor this crazy equation. We set the linear terms equal to 0. So here we have 2x plus 5 is equal to 0, 2x minus 5 is equal to 0, x minus 2 is equal to 0. So the three answers for this are: from the first one you would get -5/2, from the second one you would get 5/2, and from the last one you would get 2. These are the three x values that are the real solutions, or the zeros. Okay, switching drastically to another type of pre-calc, we're going to go look at trig expressions. We want you to be able to, anytime we ask you without a calculator to evaluate trig expressions, the reference angle has got to have something to do with 0, 30, 45, 60, or 90. We're going to work with this extensively during the year, but we just want to see what you guys remember. We got both degrees and radians that we have to be good with, and I have all sorts of tricks to teach you how to do this quickly if you can't already do it quickly. But the sine of 270 you should know is -1. The cosine of 5 pi over 4 is going to be √2/2, and I just have to think about what quadrant that's in. That's in quadrant 3, so that's going to be negative. The next one is 7 pi over 6. The tangent of 7 pi over 6, I know the reference angle is 30. I'll tell you my secret later. But it's going to be 1 over √3. Miss Kilgallen wouldn't like that, so we're going to call that √3/3. And now it happens to be in quadrant 3, so that will stay positive. And this last one is cosine of 9 pi over 4. Its reference angle is 45. Cosine of that will be √2/2, and the quadrant it's in is going to be in quadrant 1, so that will be positive. Okay, so let's move along. Oh wait, that's the end of page 5, I believe. So we're going to pause it here and let you guys catch your breath, and we'll be putting up some more stuff for page 6 shortly.